Nothing happens on this island without me hearing about it.
Oh?
So, let's talk about that dragon.
Dad, I'm so sorry. I was going to tell you. I just didn't know how to, You're not upset?
What? I was hoping for this.